Want to automate your LinkedIn outreach in just a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to create your SendCopy account, navigate your dashboard, and configure your settings so you're ready to launch your first outreach campaign. Let's start by creating your account. Enter your first name and last name, followed by your work email. Create a secure password and confirm it. Once you've reviewed the terms of service and privacy policy, simply check the agreement box and click Create Account. That's it. You're in. Welcome to your SendCopy dashboard. This is where you'll monitor all of your LinkedIn outreach performance. At the top, you can filter data by sender, campaign, and date range. These filters let you quickly analyze performance across different campaigns and team members. Before launching campaigns, let's configure your account. Open the Settings menu from the sidebar. Inside your profile, you can update your personal information and view your current subscription plan. Next, head to Billing, where you can manage your subscription, view invoices, and upgrade your workspace whenever your team grows. Now it's time to connect your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the LinkedIn account section and click Add Account. Enter your LinkedIn email and password. Now, simply verify your LinkedIn account to connect your account. Once connected, you can add multiple LinkedIn accounts based on your subscription plan. Finally, configure your daily activity limits, including connection requests, messages, profile views, follows, and other automation settings to keep your outreach safe and compliant. When everything looks good, save your configuration. With your LinkedIn account connected, you're ready to launch your first campaign. Click Create Campaign. Give your campaign a name, choose the LinkedIn account you'd like to use, configure your outreach sequence, and launch your campaign. Once your campaign is running, your dashboard gives you a complete real-time overview of its performance. Track connection requests sent, acceptance rates, messages delivered, replies received, in-mail performance, and overall campaign engagement. Congratulations! Your SendCopy workspace is now fully configured, your LinkedIn account is connected, and your first outreach campaign is ready to go. From here, you can automate prospecting, manage conversations, and track your outreach performance, all from one centralized platform. As you continue exploring SendCopy, you'll also find integrations to connect your existing tools, along with helpful community resources and step-by-step guides to help you get even more from the platform. Thanks for watching, and welcome to SendCopy.